So this is for beginning jazz dancers. This is going to be a lesson on spotting. When you turn, most turns are spotted. And that means that your head comes right back to the front. If you ever saw Billy Elliot, the movie, there's a big, really neat lesson where the teacher's teaching Billy Elliot to spot. She says, turn your head, look at that spot, keep turning, and come back to that spot. So I didn't see anything else in the room but the little camera lens. Because if you take the room in, you're going to be dizzy on whatever turns you're on, whatever turns you're doing. So the way to practice is just to look in the mirror or find a spot. I've got you right there. Look over and follow. You can follow me right here and look over your shoulder. And what you're going to do is you're going to start to turn, and you keep turning. And when you can't look there anymore, you bring your head around. Keep turning, bring your head around. You don't close your eyes in between. You just turn your head so fast, then you can go the other way, that you don't see any other part of the room. You just come back to the spot. I come back to the camera. Boom. You come back to me on this. So look at me, look at me, look at me. And when you can't look anymore, come back and look at me again. Okay, you're here. Boom. Okay, now how does that apply to actual turning? Well, 3-count turn is the easiest. And so if you're going to prep a turn here, a 3-count turn is step, 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 right? So we're stepping right, right, left, right. Now arms are a whole nother thing. So I will go over the arms too. But this is going to be a spotting lesson. So don't even do arms. You're going to face me. You're going to step on your right. I'm going to mirror you. So I'm going left foot, you go right foot. So you right, keep looking at me, right, left, and then right, come back to me. Okay, so that's spotting right there. So you step, step, step. Come right back around. I'm not dizzy. You're the only thing I saw right there. Go back the other way. Step, step, step. Again, step, step, step. I'm not dizzy at all. Ooh, no, I'm really not. Step, step, step. Right? So that's spotting. So the way you want to practice is you're here and spot. Here and spot. Go the other way. Look, look, look. You can't look anymore, and you turn your head. Look over your shoulder, then turn and look over your other shoulder. That's another way of thinking of it. So if we turn to the right, 3-count turn, step, step, step. Step, look over your shoulder, and then look over the other shoulder. Well, I don't like that as much as just keep your eyes focused forward. Okay, so just keep your eyes focused forward. So if I'm going to turn around and do it this way, I'm going to step on my right, step, step, bring my head around. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So usually have a count to spot on. So on a 3-count turn, we are spotting on count 3. When you're just doing 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, right, left, right. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So we're turning around, bringing the head around on count 3. Now when we go with the prep, with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. That's what we normally do in our warm-ups. So you go, ready, 1, 2, I'm not doing the arms at all. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the head comes right around on count 6. So it depends on which move that you're doing that you spot your head. Whatever the choreography calls for is when you spot your head around. So when we're just doing plain turns back and forth, we just step, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. When we're going here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. You don't, just because you're delaying your head, doesn't mean you delay your feet, right? Your feet keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, walk, walk, walk. Your feet, 3, 4, walk, walk, walk. With a turn, 1, 2, 3. I won't spot it all. Walk, walk, walk. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is not spotting. Walk, walk. I'm bringing my head around. I took in the whole room. I'm very dizzy. Now we're spotting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's your first lesson on spotting. Practice it. Practice with this video, all right? Because once you have the spotting down, you're good to go, turning. So you'll be light years ahead of anyone that isn't spotting. Anyone that isn't spotting won't do more than one turn, and they will be very dizzy doing that one turn. Okay, but if you learn to spot, you will learn to do multiple turns. You're limitless on what you can do. Okay, so happy practicing with your spotting. Okay.